2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, lane departure warning, remote engine start, stability control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.